The most romantic thing you can say to someone isn't, "I love you." It's not even, "I choose you." It's something most people never say because it requires you to be completely vulnerable. And once you understand what it is, you'll realize why so many relationships feel hollow even when both people say all the right words. Here's what actually creates intimacy. The most romantic thing you can say is, "I see you." Not the version of you that you think I want. Not the version you're trying to be. I see the real you. And that's who I want. Most people don't say this because most people don't actually see their partner. They see a projection. The person they hope their partner will become. The person they need their partner to be. The fantasy they've constructed in their head. And their partner feels it. They feel the invisible pressure to be someone they're not. And it slowly kills the relationship. Here's what that looks like in real life. You're dating someone. They share something vulnerable. A fear, an insecurity. A part of themselves they usually hide. And instead of just receiving it, you immediately try to fix it. You shouldn't feel that way. That's not true. You're being too hard on yourself. You think you're helping. But what you're actually doing is rejecting the real them. You're saying, "I can't handle the truth of who you are. Show me the easier version." Or you're in a long-term relationship. Your partner is going through something difficult. They're struggling. They're not their best self. And you withdraw. You get frustrated. You wish they'd just snap out of it because you fell in love with the version of them that was easy, fun, successful. You didn't sign up for this version. But this version is real too. And when you reject it, you reject them. The truth is, most people only love their partner conditionally. I love you when you're confident, when you're successful, when you make me feel good, when you're not too much or too needy or too complicated. But real love says, I see all of you. The messy parts, the parts you're ashamed of, the parts you think are unlovable. And I'm not going anywhere. So here's how you actually do this. First, learn to receive your partner without fixing them. When they share something vulnerable, your job isn't to solve it, spin it, or make it go away. Your job is to witness it. Say, "Thank you for trusting me with this." Say, "That sounds really hard." Say, "I'm here." Not, "You're wrong to feel that way." Not, "Let me tell you why you shouldn't worry." Just receive them. Let them exist exactly as they are in that moment without needing them to be different. That's what "I see you" actually means. It means you can hold space for their truth without making it about your discomfort. Second, love them in their darkness, not just their light. Anyone can love someone when they're easy, when they're happy, successful, and making your life better. Real love shows up when they're struggling, failing, falling apart. When they're irritable and distant and not giving you what you need, that's when "I see you" matters most, because that's when they're most convinced they're unlovable. So you say, "I know you're going through something hard right now. I see you struggling, and I'm not going anywhere." Not "What's wrong with you?" Not "When are you going to get it together?" Just, "I'm here. You don't have to pretend with me." Third, name what you actually see. This is the part most people skip. Don't just say "I see you" as a vague platitude. Get specific. I see how hard you're trying even when it doesn't show. I see how much you care even when you pretend not to. I see the way you protect yourself because you've been hurt before. When you name what's really there, not what they're performing, they feel known. And being known is the foundation of intimacy. It's what separates real love from surface-level connection. Fourth, make it safe for them to stop performing. Most people spend their whole relationship performing, trying to be attractive, successful, easygoing, low maintenance, because they're terrified that if they show the real them, they'll be rejected. So you say, "You don't have to be perfect with me. You don't have to hide the hard stuff. I want the real you, not the easy version." And then you prove it by not punishing them when they're messy, needy, or struggling. The most romantic thing you can say isn't flowery or poetic. It's honest. I see you, the real you, the parts you show everyone and the parts you hide, the version of you that's winning and the version that's barely holding it together. And all of it is welcome here. That's what creates real intimacy, not grand gestures or perfect words. Just the willingness to witness someone completely without needing them to be different. Most people will never experience being loved like this, because most people never drop the performance long enough to be seen. But if you want real love, you have to be willing to be really seen. And you have to be willing to really see. That's the work, that's the romance.